Secondary normal fares. Secondary normal fares are also called as restricted normal fares or Y2 fares. Fare basis code which are used for these fares are, now first I'll show you in the fare sheet. Now these fares are secondary fares. And the fare basis code which are used for these fares are F2, P2 for first class restricted fares, J2, C2 or C3 for business class restricted fare, Y2, S2 or Y11 for economic class restricted fares. Now here along with the class code 2 code is given, that means these two fares are secondary fares and rest of these fares are primary fares. What does that mean? If along with class code 2311 code is given, that means alphabet is written, that means these fares are secondary fares. These fares have stopover and transfer conditions, and because of these conditions secondary normal fares are cheaper than primary normal fares.